Today we have with us the Syska accessories Power Pro 200 power bank. So as you can see from the box, we've got a 20,000 mAh power bank with a dual USB output. So let's see if we can find any more features on the box. Okay. So here we've got some more technical specifications. 20,000 mAh, 74 watts per hour. We've got a micro USB input with a DC of 5 volts. We've got total outputs. We've got 2 ports, and we've got a high energy density polymer cell. So let's take a look inside the box. So as you can see inside the box, we've got the power bank itself, which is quite heavy, which makes sense considering it's 20,000 mAh. We've got a warranty card here from Syska, which we'll keep to the side. And we've got a micro USB to USB cable. This is for charging the power bank, and also possibly if you've got a micro USB device, you can charge it using the power bank. As you can see, the power bank does have curved edges and seems to be a bit more on the sturdier side. It is fairly heavy, but it does look fairly rugged. We've got a button over here, which probably is an indicator for the charging. And as you can see, we've got the 2 out ports and the single in port for charging the power bank itself, which is micro USB. Of course, you can probably use the USB out to charge other devices. As you can see, we've got 2 out ports for charging, and we've got the single micro USB port for charging the power bank itself. And there you have the Syska accessories Power Pro 200 power bank. Thanks for watching.